Hello, my dears. Welcome to today's English class. Do you remember our duckling and chick? Yes, we know they are birds. We have a lot of birds around us. See, here we see a bird. It's a cuckoo. It can sing. Look here. It's a peacock. It's another bird. It's our national bird. It's a crow. Its color is black. See here, it's a parrot. It can talk. Look here, it's an owl. It can be seen at night. Then see, it's a pigeon. Now, watch a song about birds.
Listen up now, listen to us. We are the birdie ones. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the cuckoos. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the birdie ones. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the cuckoos. We fly so high. We fly together, fly together. We are a birdie gang, like birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. We fly so high. We fly together, fly together. We are a birdie gang, like birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the birdie ones. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the peacocks. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the birdie ones. Listen up now, listen to us. We are the peacocks. We fly so high. We fly together, fly together. We are a birdie gang, like birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. We fly so high. We fly together, fly together. We are a birdie gang, like birds of a feather. Birds of a feather.
Now, here we can see a concept map of birds. We know so many names of different types of birds. Cuckoo, peacock, owl, parrot, sparrow, hen, duck. These are different types of birds. Make a concept map of birds like this in your notebook. Here, it's another concept map of animals. We know different names of animals, and also we know there are different types of animals around us. These animals are cat, dog, monkey, tiger, elephant, lion, giraffe. Try to make a concept map of animals like this in your notebook. Here are some activities for you. Name the birds and complete the word web. Then classify the given names into animals and birds. We know the given names are animals and birds. Classify them and write in the box. See here, these are different birds. Try to collect more pictures of birds and paste the pictures in your English notebook. Then match the following. Match the pictures with their name. One is done for you, peacock. Again, match the following. Match the name with their picture. One is done for you, hen. Here are some riddles for you. I'm a bird. I'm green in color. Who am I? Yes, I'm a parrot. I'm a bird. I'm black in color. I clean your surroundings. Who am I? Yes, I'm a crow. I'm a bird. I have colorful feathers. I'm your national bird. Who am I? Yes, I'm peacock. Make riddles like this about birds. Then write it in your notebook. Here are some sentences about birds and animals. I'm a cuckoo. I'm a crow. I'm a cat. I'm an elephant. I'm a dog. I'm a duckling. Make sentences about birds and animals like this in your notebook. Then make riddles about birds and animals. Then collect more pictures of birds and write their name. Let's write chick and duckling are birds. Write the names of other birds you know and complete this word web. Identify the pictures. Here we see different types of birds. Identify them and write their name. Arrange the pictures. Find out the names of different animals and birds here. Then classify them as animals and bird. Then complete this table. Then complete this activity in your textbook. Activity 3. Write the names of other birds and complete the concept map. Try to sing this song. Let's read aloud these names of birds. Okay. Then classify animals and birds and complete the table. Identify and find the names of birds. Add more lines adding the names of different birds. Let's complete this concept map. Then fill in the blanks. Here are some birds. Complete their name. These are some riddles. Who am I? Find out. Do the activity 3 in your textbook, page number 46. Classify the following names into birds and animals. Complete these activities in your textbook, activity 2 and activity 3. Activity 2. Look at the following pictures and identify them, then write their names. Today we learned different types of birds and animals. Collect more pictures of birds and animals, then write their names in your notebook. We will see in the next class. Thank you.